Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. This tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can create some interesting designs using patterns and adjustment layers. Now, first thing to do, just go over to a layer and new fill layer and pattern, click OK. And I'm just going to use that one or that one. Notice some nice stars there. These designs are from Graphicxtras. They're Christmas pattern designs, but of course you can use any other pattern design as well. So click OK. Now, I'm going to flatten that. Just going to flatten that, and then I'm just going to go to the pen tool, use path option, and I'm just going to quickly create a jagged and finish there. Oops, definitely want to finish there. Right, okay, got work path there. Just going to go to make selection using the pass panel, click OK, and inverse. Now, next thing to do, just go to a layer and new adjustment layer, and I'm going to go for hue and saturation. Of course, there's all these other options. You can go for some really interesting colour effects with gradient map, threshold, etc. Threshold, black and white, of course. These other ones for more colourful, vibrance, etc. So hue and saturation. Click OK, and now I'm just going to show you can see the colourful changes there. Also, you can click colorise, so you can just colorise and just move that around there and use saturation. Okay, so I've got that design there. Now, just gonna move that out of the way, and layers, you can just see it's a layer. So what you can do with a layer, you can just go over here and hold the Alt or Option key, depending on which system. You can move that and create an interesting new design there. And again over there. And of course you can modify the actual design just by moving that around, and move that over there, and move that there. I'm going to go back now. I'm actually not going to use that approach, but I'm just going to, so I've just got there, that layer. I'm just going to go up here and just say, instead, you can actually use the blending modes as well, darken, or maybe overlay, soft light, and so on. So obviously, depending really what you want to achieve. Obviously, you can go for difference, doesn't always produce the best of results, or subtract, and so on and so on. So you can select that, hold down the Alt, and then just drag that around, and then maybe go for overlay instead, and you can see you've got more linear burn, and so on and so on. So you can see, actually go move that around. You can still modify these, so you can actually change that around, move that over there, great difference to there. And also what you can do, you can actually resize it, so it's not, obviously just doesn't have to be, it's created, just move that there, and then go for linear light, and so on. So you can create a very, very abstract sort of design on top of your pattern. Again, you can modify difference there. Right, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much. Just flatten that actually before I go.